So friends, in this video we'll just check out the application called Whatnot. Recently this application has been in news and many people are talking about it, and as you can check here, Mr. Beast also posted an YouTube post regarding the same. So we'll just check out what is this and how to create our own account. Stay with me, watch the video till end. I will show you step by step how to. So I've just clicked on the install button and let's check if there is anything that I can find here. What does this application show? Okay, great finds, sweet deals and more. It looks like somewhat Instagram or something, but I think this is for sales purpose. Okay, no issue, we'll just check out one by one. Okay, so the application is installed. We'll just open it and it looks like this. Continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with email. So we'll go with Google because I prefer Google, always good. And what's happening? Continue with Google. It is taking time. Okay, all the Google accounts are here. I'll just choose the account that I want to log in with. You can also do the same thing. Okay, and here is the place where we will just give our mobile number. So I'll just enter the mobile number and it is auto validating country of residence. I'm not from United Kingdom, so I'll just choose one from the below. And where is India? Okay, so this is the country, and then I will click on continue. So this is the step that we are following to create our own account, and here is the username. So this is very important, please friends. So you just choose the username that you want. I will keep the username that I always keep everywhere. Okay, I am interested in selling on Whatnot. I'll just check this because what happens in the future, who knows, right? And I will choose your mail, then press on continue. What do you like to shop here? Sneakers, video games, electronics, men's fashion, and later I will choose more if I need. Okay, I'll not do anything here. I'll go next. So this is the step-by-step process that I'm showing you how to create your account in application called Whatnot. Do hit the like button. And electronics is my favorite, and I think the account creation is done successfully. Notifications I don't want for now. Okay, so it looks like this, my friend. Here is the place. As you can check, Mr. Beast is live now. 1 million in giveaways is coming. We'll just click here and he's not live, only. Okay, this is the live page where people next join show. Okay, I'll just follow him. Okay, and you see it starts like tomorrow. I'll not do anything. So this is a place, you can call it a marketplace, where you can come purchase or sell your product internationally. Okay, if we go to account looks like this. Referrals and credits are $0 right now. Sale in seconds, I'll just show it afterwards. And here is the account controls. You can come here and change your details if you want. Okay, password you can change it here. Contact us if you have any issue with the application, or you can report. And tax exemptions, you can put all the entry here. If you click on view profile, my profile looks like this. You can also edit your profile from here. Let's click here and let's choose our profile picture. Let's from gallery, we'll come here. Okay, albums, and once in albums we'll just go to Pixel Lab, and here is the image that I want to choose from here. I suppose, where is it? Okay, this is the one, and it is done. Later I will do everything, no problem. The same way we can also edit your profile. Okay, let's come to home again, profile, and referrals. Okay, you can also refer this application to your friends, so you'll be finding the link in the description. To hit the link and you can download and install your own whatnot and create your account there. Okay, so this is the link that I will be providing in the description. You can use that. Okay, and here is the place where you can just put the address. If you purchase something and you want that product to be delivered in your address, you just put all the address here. So basically this is the application and it looks like this. Mr. Beast is coming live tomorrow and he will be doing one giveaway or something, no idea regarding that. If you go to the electronics section, you can purchase things worldwide. Okay, and basically this application I think is for like auction, selling all products, purchasing all products, maybe, because everyone is saying that it is for auction. Let's see. Here you will find the, okay, there is one more important thing. You see this cell, you can just click here, create your own marketplace and sell product. We'll be doing this in the next video. For now, this video is regarding like how to install the application from Play Store. I hope you'll be getting this in the App Store also, and their web version is also available. Create your own account and just go through a quick walk through the application and create your own setup so that you can look and purchase things if you want, or you can sell your products in this. Payments and shipping, you can just add your delivery method and payment method. Okay, if you have any promo code, you can just apply here to get some benefits from the whatnot. So friends, this was the video regarding the application whatnot, which has been running and trending and many people are talking about this. And the process that I have shown you, in the same process you can just create your own whatnot account. You'll be finding the link in the description. Do click on the link and check this application. I am very first time here and I think I will be enjoying shopping because I do sell and purchase product regularly. So I think this will be a very good option for me, because as of now I just sell my products in Amazon and use my Amazon affiliate link. Okay, so this is the application whatnot. People who are talking about this, you will find the link in the description. To click on the link and create your own account. So I hope if you have any doubts, do write in the comment section. I will try to answer that. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.